If you're trying to get iOS 27 on your iPhone right now, here's the safest way to unlock and install the public beta. Zero fluff, let's go. Step one, before you do any software updates, secure your data so you don't lose anything. Open up settings, tap your name, click iCloud, click iCloud Backup, and then tap Backup Now. This ensures your data is backed up so you don't lose anything in case something goes wrong. Step two, to unlock the official iOS 27 beta option on your phone, open up Safari and head to beta.apple.com. Now you're going to sign in with your Apple ID and tap Enroll your iOS device. Once you sign in with your Apple ID, you're going to navigate down to enroll your iOS device. And then you're going to tap Open Beta Updates. Now you're going to see the options iOS 27 Public Beta. We're going to tap on this one. Now we have the option enabled to download iOS 27 beta. We're going to update. Now, if your download gets stuck on preparing update or it takes forever, plug in your iPhone. Another thing you can check if it's not working is you can go to settings, iPhone storage, and make sure you have at least 15 gigabytes available for the update to commence. Once your iPhone finishes restarting and the update is complete, that's it. You're now running iOS 27 and your Apple ID is officially unlocked for all future beta releases too. Drop a comment with which iPhone model you're installing this on and let me know how it went. I'll see you guys in the next one.